scream.
In this town of Halloween,
I am the one hiding under your bed, teeth ground sharp and eyes glowing red.
I am the one hiding under your stairs, fingers like snakes and spiders in my hair.
this is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
In this town we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song.
In this town, don't we love it now? Everybody's waiting for the next surprise.
Round that corner man hiding in the trash can, something's waiting now to pounce, and how you'll scream.
This is Halloween, red and black,
Slimy green.
aren't you scared?
Well, that's just fine. Say it once, say it twice. Take a chance or roll the dice. Ride like a moon in the dead of night.
Everybody scream! Everybody scream!
In our town of Halloween,
I am the clown with the terror white face.
Here in a flash and come without a trace.
I am the who when you call who's there. I am the wind blowing through your hair. I am the show of the moon at night, filling your dreams till they brim with fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween,
Halloween, Halloween. Tender lumplings everywhere. Life's no fun, we'll have a good scare.
That's our job.
But we're not mean in our town of Halloween.
In this town,
Don't we love it now?
everyone's waiting for the next surprise.
Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and
Scream like a banshee, make you jump out of your skin.
This is Halloween, everybody scream. Won't you please make way for a very special guy? Our man Jack is king of the pumpkin patch. Everyone hail to the pumpkin king. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween.
Tummy fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. I hear your eyes and I see those cries. I hear those eyes and I see those cries. I can't be the only one who hears you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in my eye. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I might die.
welcome back, Mr. Bones.
Thank you for having me again.
And
It's me.
cooking with Bones.
That's me, Mr. Bones.
What are we making today, Mr.
We
Bones?
make chicken quesadillas and some fiesta potatoes.
Oh, wow.
Gotta get both hands in there. Yeah, it's a two-hand job.
Yeah.
Please cut. I'm having a hard time.
Oh.
Got potatoes now. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna give them a nice little wash.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah.
gotta.
Wow.
That's a clean potato.
That's a clean potato.
That is a clean potato. Thank you so much. All right, so we got a pan-seared chicken here. This
Yeah.
is gonna be going inside of our quesadillas, okay?
Wow, look at that.
We got our potatoes. They're freshly washed. I just cut all these. Now we're gonna start on the next one. Now transition your potatoes from the cutting board to your bowl. Like so. Got some nice potatoes.
Yeah. You gotta season your potatoes.
Okay, we're gonna season them. Don't know how much because my assistant didn't tell me.
Use your heart's desire. Alright, that's enough.
Okay.
Mr. Bones.
I'm sorry, oh god. After you've added all your seasoning, you just want to mix it really well, as I've done here. They look perfect.
Wow, they do.
Thank you.
Those are the seasonings.
That's the season. You got your smoked paprika, your cumin, your chili powder, and your garlic salt. That's all you need. Alright, so I've transitioned the potatoes into the air fryer basket. Now we just need to put it inside the air fryer. I'm telling you, I need to put some meat on these bones. I'm not a spring chicken. Chicken.
It's fine.
Chicken. Oh, it's okay.
It's fine, it's fine.
No, I can do it. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, okay. Oh damn, I don't have skin.
I had to help Mr. Bones use the touchscreen.
Hey,